Well guys, I hope you're well. This video was a pretty tough one to film, a pretty emotional period. So I hope you do enjoy it. Yeah, it's a weird one. You might enjoy it, you might not. If you are enjoying these videos, give us a comment, give us a like, give it a share even on your social media. And if you know people who might be interested, then shoot it through to them as well. Really want to start working hard to spread that message of what it is that I'm doing. I've also had a few awesome people reach out to me trying to send me stuff, which is lovely. It's difficult to organize. Quite often the videos don't come out quite on time, although I try to get them out as regular and on time as possible. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop my PayPal below, and if you want to buy me a beer, then shoot me through $5 and just leave a message so that I know what it is you want me to get or whatever. Up to you guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I try to keep it as honest as possible. So yeah, I'm hoping you enjoy, guys. All the best. Enjoy the vid. Well, leaving Katherine now, of all places. Hey gang, how are you? Got a doggy trailer on the back. Picked up Savannah here in Katherine. Named her after the Savannah way. So we're just gonna cruise today. She's still not all that used to it, so we'll probably get 30 k's up the road. Should take about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours with the extra weight. But yeah, we'll stop every 20 minutes or every half hour or so. Get her out, give her lots of cuddles, keep her happy in the back, keep rewarding her for being quiet in there. Yeah, she's been good so far. I'll talk more about it once we get to a place we can stop. All right, see you soon then. Just hanging out, enjoying our first roadside stop. Cheers. It's 31 k's done. I'm gonna leave it for the day. There's a water tank here. There's bins and stuff all around. I'm in a nice shaded spot at the moment. Just gonna have a cup of coffee, some sardines, the old-fashioned sardines, and some bread. Back on the bread. I'm back on bread, guys. Back on bread. Savannah's just asleep below me here, recuperating, taking it all in. So don't want to push it too much. So yeah, camp here for the night. We'll whack out the new cooker soon. We'll cook up dinner. Yeah, we'll see you then. Yeah, always. Yeah. So so I could just roam around with no food or water. Wouldn't have to carry anything. Yeah. Right, dinner's done. This is the new stove setup. MSR whisper light. Got some petrol in here, and just cooked up some pasta in this sort of carbonara thing. Savannah, come here. She's off roaming. Super independent, she is. Doesn't like me much, I don't think. Okay. Just gets covered in all this stuff. Bits of grass and whatnot. I'm worried about you. But the sun's not far off down. So yeah, probably gonna head to bed pretty soon. Probably catch you guys in the morning. Alright, sun's pretty much down. It's almost twilight. Gonna get her calmed down. She's done a wee, she's done a poo, she's had her evening meal. Haven't you? So now it's time for relaxation and bed. Well, so much for being able to get some sleep. It's all well and good putting on a brave face, but I'm just so worried about this dog. I haven't been able to sleep the last couple of days. I literally check that she's still alive when she's sleeping next to me. There's just so much I think that can go wrong. Road trains, just traffic in general, her getting sick, having no reception, being miles and miles away from a vet. I think Catherine's 30 k's back that way, the next vet is another 500-600 k's away. And at the pace I was riding today, 15 k's an hour, it's about 8 k's an hour slower than usual. Just, if something goes wrong, I couldn't handle it. I can't even handle it now, to be honest. Oh, I don't know what to do. I've wanted a dog for so long, and I just don't know. It's killing me at the moment. Good dog. Good girl. Where you going? Bring it here. Good girl. Ah. Ah. Good ball. Good girl. I'm just gonna head back to backtrack to a spot with some reception. Just want to call my mum, have a chat. I've just backtracked here to call my mum. Broke down on the phone to her. I just can't handle the stress of it. I spoke to Tom. Tom's just come back and collected her. I don't know what to say, really. I knew it would be tough, and I knew it would be hard work, but I just didn't anticipate the stress. Not sleeping. I wake up in the middle of the night and I check her heartbeat, check she's still alive. If something happened, I couldn't live with myself. It's just been so humbling. It's fucking... Oh.